So if you want to make an HTML template into WordPress theme, so for that, first of all, you need to copy the whole HTML file to transfer into index.php. So I'm going to paste the whole code of this HTML file and copy this and paste it into index.php. Okay, so this is it. So then you need to copy the style. So as you can see, there is some external CSS. I'm gonna copy this CSS. Okay, and cut this. Okay, so then I'm gonna paste it into style.css. Okay, so okay, then we need to remove this. Okay, so as you can see, there is a link of bootstrap CSS. You need to say the WordPress that we are using bootstrap in this project, so we need to do some bootstrapping for that. So as you can see, if I show you something, if I show you some add new post, okay, as you can see that there is no option to add a featured image. So if you see our template, you can see an image option. So for that, we need to add an featured image option here. So then we need to add, we need to say this to WordPress. So let's see how we can. So for that, you need to go to functions.php file. Inside functions.php, you need to write an action hook, add action. So inside an action, you need to write a hook. The hook name is after theme setup. After theme setup, so then your function. So the function name is what is the function that you want to create. So I'm going to write the function with my text domain. So now my text domain is alpha. My text domain is alpha. So I'm going to make this alpha bootstrapping. So alpha bootstrapping. So now copy this. So now I'm going to write the function, the upper line of code. So it's a good practice, I think. So I'm going to practice it upper line. So inside this inside this function, first of all, I need to tell the WordPress that you have to load my text domain. So for that, you need to write load theme text domain. So my text domain is alpha. So copy it and paste it. So this is, you have to do it. This is the default. Then we are gonna tell the WordPress. Then you have to enable the first thumbnail option, that means the featured image option. So for that, you need to write add theme support. Inside add theme support, you need to write post thumbnails. Post thumbnails. So then WordPress will enable the thumbnail option. So we need to enable another thing, which is add theme support, which is title tag. Okay, so you tell the WordPress that you need to firstly load the text domain of file, then you need to enable my post thumbnails, which is featured image, then you need to enable the title tag option. Okay, so we enable this option. So oh sorry, there is a mistake here. This is not after theme setup, this has to be after setup theme. So we enable this option, post thumbnails, title tag and text domain loading. So if we reload this, add new post, so the WordPress added this option. See set featured image, that means that you can set a featured image for your post. So for that, you need to write add theme support post thumbnails. Okay, after theme support, then we need to write another function, which is as you can see that in HTML template, you can see an external bootstrap file, we need to load this from our functions.php. So for that we need to write another function as well. So we need to write another hook, action hook, add action. So the hook name is wp enqueue scripts, wp enqueue scripts. So then our function name, so we are going to write the function name as our text domain alpha. So if we are going to add this at the asset search script.js and still css. So for that we need to write this as assets. You can write whatever you want. So the function name is alpha assets. So function alpha assets. Okay, so this is our function. So inside this function we need to load our bootstrap file. So this is our bootstrap file. So if you want to load a link from function, you need to write wp enqueue style, wp enqueue style. So this is a bootstrap CDN. As you can see, this is what we're going to rename it, bootstrap, then the link. So the link is, as you can see, the link is this one. We need to ignore this because you never know is your HTTP is HTTP or HTTPS. So we're going to copy this from /. So copy this, then paste it. Okay, we need to reload another file is this, which is style.css. So for that we need to write wp enqueue scripts again, wp enqueue style. So this is our theme style.css, so we can rename it as alpha. So then get style sheet URL, get style sheet. So this is it. So first one is alpha, which will reload our style.css, and then this one is bootstrap, which will reload our external bootstrap file. You can write external or internal JavaScript file or CSS file, whatever you can reload. So okay, after doing this we have only two things to do, which is we're going to clear this. We will have only meta tag. So then after we can write a PHP tag and close it. Inside the tag we will write wp date. So this will reload our CSS file and script file or whatever file we use on our theme. Okay, after that we have to go to the inside of the template. Before the body tag you need to write another PHP tag. Okay, inside PHP tag you need to write wp footer. Okay, before the ending tag you have to write a PHP function. Inside PHP function you need to write wp footer, and then go to the top, and head tag you have to write PHP tag. Inside PHP tag you need to write wp head. Okay, so this is our hard-coded data. We need to reload this from our WordPress. Okay, so this is our tagline. So for that you need to write login for description. Okay, this is our heading. So this is not, it should not be hard-coded. It will reload it from WordPress. So the login for, inside login for you need to write name. Okay, let's see, now reload this. Okay, as you can see, this is our site tagline. Our tagline is our tagline is be good to. Okay, our site title is trusted review, which is good. We can save changes. Now reload this. Okay, as you can see, this is our tagline and this is our site title. So this is loading this sideline is loading from site and tagline is loading from which line, and this the heading is loading from this line. Okay, I hope you understand this. Next video we're gonna show how we can customize this post section. This is now this is hard coded. Next video we're gonna customize this from with WordPress. So until then, thank you for watching.